Okay, we're on to 3 functional types of sentences now. Number 1, how to form declarative sentences. So a declarative sentence, or una frase dichiarativa, is simply a statement that ends with a period. Okay, so they can be very short or very long, depending on how many clauses they contain. For example, I have a cat and a dog. We have to go grocery shopping because we're having a party this weekend. Okay, so you can see that this is a very short declarative sentence, and this is a much longer declarative sentence. Or you can say, they prefer to eat pasta with meatballs like the Americans do. Okay, so these are all declarative sentences because they are making a statement. Okay, so let's see how to say these in Italian. Number 1, ho un gatto e un cane. Okay, I have a cat and a dog. Ho, I have. Un gatto, a cat, e un cane, and a dog. Number 2, dobbiamo andare a fare la spesa perché faremo una festa questo fine settimana. Okay, so let's break this down. We have to go grocery shopping. Okay, so dobbiamo is dovere. Okay, it's the first person plural of dovere, which means to have to or must. So dobbiamo andare, okay, to go. Again, remember from before, you only have to conjugate the first verb here. Okay, so dobbiamo andare a fare la spesa, okay, to do the shopping, fare la spesa, perché faremo una festa, okay, because we are making a party, questo, this, fine settimana, end of the week, okay, fine settimana. Okay, and number 3. Preferiscono mangiare la pasta con le polpette come fanno gli americani. Okay, so they preferiscono, okay, is third person plural. Mangiare, again, we only conjugated the first verb here. La pasta, okay, that's a pretty easy one. The pasta. Con le polpette, okay, with, con le polpette, come, like, or as, come, fanno, they do, okay? So third person plural, fanno is fare, conjugated into third person plural, gli americani. Okay, so in this case, we just put gli americani after fanno, but you could have put it before fanno as well, but I think it just sounds better this way. Okay, so come fanno gli americani. Okay, so that's how you form declarative sentences.